Welcome back, my friends. Today we're diving deep into an unprecedented economic dilemma facing the world's second largest economy, China. It's a puzzle of deflation, unemployment, and shifting economic dynamics. But why should you care about China's economic problems? The answer lies in the intricate threads that tie our world together, creating what economists often refer to as the cascading effects, or in other words, how disruptions or imbalances in one part of the world can affect other parts of the world. So pay attention, because we're about to explore the profound issue of China's stalling economy and its far-reaching implications for both the nation and the world. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this new channel to see more videos about economy and interesting economic facts from around the world. So without further ado, let's start. Imagine a tale of two economies, the United States grappling with surging consumer prices, while China faces an entirely different problem, deflation. Unlike the United States, where inflation rates have been soaring, China's consumer prices have plummeted by 0.3% over the past year, sounding alarm bells for a potential era of deflation. To grasp the magnitude of this issue, we must recognize its unique implications. While inflation erodes purchasing power, deflation is even more treacherous, leading to persistent price drops, stagnation, and a spiraling circle of economic decline. And China isn't alone in this predicament. Many economies worldwide are grappling with a post-pandemic landscape marked by government stimuli, structural unemployment, and evolving consumer behavior. Let's take a closer look at that. While the United States is contending with a tight labor market characterized by more job openings than available workers, China is facing a different and more alarming issue, a significant unemployment problem, particularly among the youth. This observation aligns with the broader economic challenges China is currently navigating. In June, China's unemployment rate for individuals aged 16 to 24 hit a record 21%, though some experts suggest it might be even higher. This high youth unemployment rate can have dire implications for China's economy and society. A substantial portion of the population being unemployed, especially young individuals who are starting their careers, can lead to social unrest, dissatisfaction, and hinder future economic growth. Young people entering the workforce are essential for the country's long-term economic development, and a lack of opportunities for them could have long-lasting repercussions. China's economy is undergoing a transformation, shifting from being driven by exports and investments to one focused on domestic consumption. This transition is challenging, as it requires a realignment of industries and job roles. As China tries to steer its economic ship in this new direction, there might be temporary dislocations in the job market. Some industries might shrink while others expand, leaving a portion of the workforce unemployed or underemployed. This can lead to a scenario where job openings do not match the skills of those looking for work, leading to structural unemployment. And this unemployment challenge in China can have ramifications beyond its borders. China's role in global supply chains is substantial, as it's a manufacturing hub for various industries. If factories in China face labor shortages due to high unemployment rates or other economic challenges, it could disrupt the production of goods that are part of global supply chains. This in turn affects other countries' economies, which rely on the timely availability of components and finished products. The combination of high youth unemployment and shifting economic dynamics presents a significant challenge for China's economic and social stability. As explained before, an unemployed youth population can lead to social unrest, dissatisfaction, and potentially even political tensions. China's government is acutely aware of the importance of maintaining social stability, as it's crucial for the nation's continued growth and global standing. In the broader context, it's evident that China's unemployment challenges are intertwined with its larger economic struggles, including deflation in a changing economic landscape. The government's efforts to stimulate domestic demand and transition to a consumption-driven economy are aimed at addressing these challenges. But the road ahead is complex and requires careful policy considerations. As China grapples with these multifaceted issues, the global community is also watching closely due to the interconnectedness of economics and the potential ripple effects. The economic challenges faced by China have implications that extend far beyond its borders, creating what economists often refer to as global ripple effects. These effects are the result of China's central role in the global economy, with its economic performance influencing various aspects of international trade, supply chains, financial markets, and geopolitical dynamics. China's position as a major consumer of commodities such as oil, minerals, and agricultural products means that any fluctuations in its economic activity can impact global demand for these resources. When China's economy faces challenges, the reduced demand for commodities can affect economics heavily dependent on exporting these goods to China. This can lead to decreased revenues and economic strains in commodity exporting countries. China's role as a manufacturing hub and a crucial player in global supply chains means that any disruptions in its production processes can disrupt the availability of components and finished products worldwide. Companies relying on parts from China may experience delays or shortages, disrupting their own production and affecting industries on a global scale. China's trading partners, which include numerous nations, often have economies deeply intertwined with Chinese consumption patterns. A slowdown in China's economy can lead to reduced exports from these countries, impacting their economic growth and stability. Another major concern is that China's economic performance has a significant impact on global investor confidence and financial markets. International investors closely monitor China's economic indicators, and negative development can lead to an increased market volatility. Global financial markets are interconnected, so economic challenges in China can quickly spread to other markets, affecting investment decisions and asset prices. The interconnectedness of the global economy means that economic challenges in one major economy, like China, can create uncertainty and complexity for nations and businesses around the world. In essence, the global ripple effects stemming from China's economic challenges highlight the intricate web of interconnectedness that characterize the modern world economy. As one of the most influential economic players, developments in China's economy have the potential to impact nations, industries, and citizens across the globe, underscoring the need for a comprehensive understanding of these dynamics. China, once a powerhouse of relentless economic growth and development, is now facing a complex set of challenges that are prompting a careful reevaluation of its economic trajectory. These challenges encompass multiple fronts, from deflation and unemployment to shifting economic dynamics and debt concerns. China's recent experience of falling consumer prices and stagnant economic growth is emblematic of its economic struggle. Deflation, or sustained drops in prices, can undermine economic activity by diminishing consumer spending and business investments. This trend can lead to a cycle of decreased demand, lower production, and even more pronounced economic woes. The country's mounting debt, estimated at 282% of national output, poses concerns for financial stability. While debt can be an essential tool for economic growth, its excessive accumulation can lead to vulnerabilities. The interconnectedness of China's financial system raises questions about the potential for a cascading impact if issues in one sector spill over to others. China's leadership faces the challenging task of maintaining robust economic growth while ensuring social stability. A delicate balance must be struck between promoting reforms, managing economic downturns, and addressing the social implications of economic challenges. China's economic policy decisions will influence its relations with trading partners, investment flows, and global economic dynamics. The success of China's journey to navigate these challenges will have repercussions not only for its domestic population, but also for the stability of the global economy. In essence, China stands at a crossroads, tasked with overcoming its current economic obstacles, while preparing for a future marked by changing global dynamics and shifting economic paradigms. How China addresses its dilemma and steers its economic course will have far-reaching implications for its citizens, its neighbors, and the world at large. In conclusion, China's economic landscape is undergoing a significant transformation, marked by a series of economic challenges that extend beyond its borders. As a once thriving engine of global growth, China now faces the intricate web of economic obstacles that include deflation, unemployment, and a complex transition of a consumption-driven economy. These challenges have profound implications not only for China's citizens, but also for nations across the world. Navigating this intricate terrain requires China to carefully balance short-term measures to address immediate economic concerns with long-term strategies aimed at fostering sustainable growth. The government's ability to manage debt, support innovation, and facilitate economic restructuring will play a pivotal role in shaping not only China's domestic prosperity, but also the stability of the global economy. As China grapples with its economic dilemmas and navigates the path forward, the international community watches closely, aware that the outcomes will impact livelihoods, industries, and the future of the world economy. The story of China's economic transformation serves as a reminder that the fates of nations are intertwined, and addressing these challenges requires collective action, innovative strategies, and a deep understanding of the intricate dynamics that shape our global economy. Well, now that you know more about China's stalling economy and its future challenges, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see new videos about economy and interesting economic facts from around the world. And don't forget to turn the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.